Okay, we're going to do see if we can line this gun in. It should be already bore sighted. It should be shooting right out of the box, but we're going to find out. So my target is up down there. You see that white spot down there on the barrel. That's about probably 45 yards, so should find out what we're at right there. And the clip does hold 4 rounds. It's kind of chilly out. But here's the bullets in the clip. There's 4 rounds in there. So 5 rounds, 1 in the chamber and 4 in the clip. Okay, so the gun's all cleaned. We're going to do a test here and see what happens. I'll show you the shooting there in a second. Alright, so I got it all set up. I'm going to take a shot now at that barrel down there with the white target. You see 2 white spots down there. One to the left is not the target. It's actually a bucket. It's pretty hard for you to see because the iPhone do not zoom. So I'm going to take a couple shots here and then we'll go take a look at the target and see what's going on. We're ready to fire. Focus up to 9. Zoom. Let's see what we got. Position. These now. Doesn't look like I hit the target. So as you can see, at about 45 yards, your gun is not lined up or bore sighted. So I'm going to have to do some shooting here to find out where I'm hitting, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I pulled up a little closer to the target. I'm about probably 25 yards away from it. Now I'm going to take a shot from here and see if I can get on paper. So we'll see how this goes. .22-250 straight out of the box. That their theory of being ready to go out of the box on paper, bullshit. So anyways, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get my bore sighter. I'm gonna bore sight this in at 25 yards, and then I'll be back. Later, you guys.